Good morning, everybody, from rainy Fleetwood today. On a roof here, probably one of the worst roofs that I've seen. I've got Ben with me, who looks absolutely freezing. Ben's working for a building surveyor's now, doing his degree apprenticeship, but because this is for the building surveyors that he works for, Ben gets to come along and learn as part of his degree apprenticeship. It's always nice to have some company, and it's always nice to have a Ben with me. So I'm just going to spin you around and show you this one. Like I said, it's probably one of the worst that I've seen in my time. So on this one, we've looked inside. We've got a block and beam construction. Concrete deck on top of that. We're obviously not going to take core samples on this roof, but we highly suspect that this is an asphalt roof over the top of the concrete. The reason that we highly suspect this is there's a fair amount of blistering on this roof. I'll just show you one here. You can see that one sticking out of the ponding water there, and if we stand on that blister, it's solid, so that tells us that the substrate beneath is blistering. Obviously, concrete doesn't blister, so that's why we suspect that it's asphalt over the concrete. I say I don't need to tell you many defects on this. We've measured the level of ponding water over here. It's around 40 millimeters deep. As you know, or as I've said before, ponding water weighs about 1 kilogram per square meter per millimeter. So on these areas here, there's around 40 kilograms per square meter of additional load, which is probably what's causing the deflection on this. So there's two internal outlets. There's one here, and there's one behind us over here. There's also a chute outlet over on that wall over there. So hasten to say, no need to tell you that this roof is obviously beyond its useful life. The mineral surface has started to go away, so the UV is attacking this roof when UV can get to it. There's pigeon infested areas on this roof. There's guano and all sorts on this. So yeah, not a nice roof, this one. You can see the kind of level of vegetation on here. I'll just show you when we came up into this area. We were attacked. It was like something out of the Birds horror movie, and walking around downstairs wasn't great either. But yeah, I'll sign off with this one. Like I say, there's no point going through the actual defects on this one. There's so many of them, and this narrative kind of writes itself on this, that it needs a full thermal upgrade. We're going to suggest tapered insulation and a full waterproofing system. So from me and Ben, we'll see you on the next one.